Okay, up for auction today is this Jim Beam AC spark plug whiskey decanter. Picked this up a few days ago, and as you can see, this one is the Jim Beam. It says creation of James B. Beam Distilling Company. KYDRB 230, Genuine Regal China, 1977. C. Miller, Regal China Corporation, 145 liquor bottle. That's what it says on the bottom. It does not have the labels on it. Those got torn off, but it is in pretty decent condition. This would make a really cool addition to anybody's collection. If you like it, please bid on it. Before we go, yeah, there's really no chipping, no cracks or anything like that. Somebody had said that there was probably something at the top, but I don't think so. I think that's how it came. That's the top of the spark plug. So it's just a regular old screw cap on the top. Okay, get this off. And that's the bottle right there. And it is empty. But that's it. Kind of stinks. You got something in there. But yeah, it's still kind of liquidy. So maybe there's some whiskey remnants on that cap. But once again, this is the AC, I guess the AC Delco spark plug, Jim Beam whiskey decanter with no labels. Alright, please bid. Thanks.